Hi there, this tutorial will show you how to add a new user to your Shopify account. Adding team members or users to your Shopify account is helpful when you have multiple people needing access to your Shopify account. When you add a new user, you can select the level of permission that you want to grant them. You then can easily deactivate their account when they no longer need access to the shop. For example, if you have someone on the team that only needs access to processing orders or managing your products, you can grant them access to those sections. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings, then select User and Permissions. In this page, you will see the store owner details, and then the staff section will list anyone that already is granted access to the shop. Within your current staff members, you can see the last time they logged into the shop and the level of permission they have. In this example, Nick has full access. So let's go ahead and add a new staff member. Click on Add Staff. Here, you will enter their name and email address. Next, we want to select the level of permission. This section is broken into 3 parts: General, Online, Administration. You can click Select All, and this will give the user full access to the shop. Keep in mind that with full access, they can add new users, view billing information, make changes to your design, basically all the same options that the main user account has. Instead, you can select what access you want to grant the new user by clicking on the different items. For example, let's say you have someone that processes orders and adds products to your shop. You will then select Orders, Edit Orders, Draft Orders, and Products. This is just an example. You will, of course, select the sections you want your user to have access to. Once done, select Send Invite. This will send the new user an email notifying them about the new account. Make sure they click on the email and create an account within 7 days of sending the invite. Now let's create the user account. This is the part that the new user needs to do on their end. Once they get the email notification, they will click on Create Staff Account, and this will take them to the Shopify login page where they can create their own account. When the account is created, you'll be notified via email. To make edits to any user, you would just select their name within the staff section, scroll down to the permission section, and check or uncheck the different permission settings. In the recent access to the store section, you can also see when the user logged into the shop. When you no longer need that user on your Shopify account, you can scroll down within this page to the Manage Staff Access section and either suspend access or completely remove them from your account. When you suspend access, this means that your user account will no longer allow them to access your shop, but you can easily bring back their account at any given point. For example, this can be used for seasonal employees. Selecting the remove option means that the account will be completely deleted. This would be used in the case of a user that no longer works with you. It's that easy. Thanks for watching our Shopify how-to videos. For more tutorials and resources, visit the Jelly Design Studio blog.